Okay, I'm going to do this one wall in real time, and I'm not going to wipe any of it down until I get done. Okay? This is about usually how fast I will go when I'm doing a shower. So now I can backhand it here. I'm still getting it on. I know where the pink cut in was. And I've got it all covered. Sometimes I do long strokes from there down, but then after a while I may get tired of doing this with my knees and stuff, or my arm gets sore. So then I'll come and do half of the tile first, you know, the joint, whatever, and then I'll do the bottom half. So I haven't knocked any of it. I haven't gone back and flattened out any of the sealer yet. I'm just getting it on. Gives you a real workout. Yeah. So I gotta do it at an angle or else my handle hits the ceiling. But I'm not gonna unscrew this and do it by hand. Forget that business. It'd take me way too long to do that. Time is money, man. I want to do something else. I don't want to be stuck in this wall forevermore. Okay. This one's got all kinds of fat bits, nooks and crannies, and that's why I like using this 4-inch roller. That's why. Now sometimes I'll go from left to right, one tile at a time. Boom, that way, you know. But if you want, you don't have to do that. If you got a longer wall, you just keep going up. You know, I can do the whole wall, one tile at a time, going all the way up if I want, and then move out. Whatever you feel comfortable with, you know. Now I gotta remember, did I do this tile or not? I think I did. Once I get out of sequence, sometimes I'll forget. I think, okay, what did I do? Now as I'm going, I'm getting a little bit of this sealer on the floor, but usually it's around the edges. It's around the edges. And even if it gets in the middle, usually it doesn't because I'm careful. You'll get the hang of it after a little bit. You know, that's why I only dip a little bit and put it on. Enough for at least a full tile this size, and then I'll dip again. You know, if I pressed on this really hard, I could maybe get another tile, but then the entire amount of sealer might be thinner than the last tile, let's say. So I always dip and then do one tile. That's what I try to do on the first coat. Okay? Like that. Yeah. One little shower, one long extension pole, but you can still do her. See, now here, I don't have to go all the way up, so I could pretty much do 2 tiles because they're like half tiles before I dip my roller in again. See what I mean? Okay, let's show you that. Let's show you. See, lots of the white foam is gone. I haven't even really wiped it down just yet, but I still like to go back and just do a quick once off. It'll help blend everything in, you know? Now I can just concentrate on doing one tile at a time. And that just kind of finishes it off like that. I could go sideways if I want. You know, if I have enough room. As long as I don't hit the cabinet or hit a mirror, the bathroom mirror or something, let's say. You know what I mean? Now I can go from there up, or if I don't want to get all the way down, I can still do that at an angle. You know, I can flip around, do this one at an angle. Do this up and down. Just remember where you've stopped and started. Kind of concentrate on that. I'll usually take the entire tile. If you got small tiles, 4x4s or something, you just have to kind of pay attention. You know? There. See there? Now you can seal your own shower walls. Well, that's all I have time for, but I'll be back with more videos.